Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to change your payment date on Afterpay in 2025. If you've ever used Afterpay for those must-have purchases, you know how helpful it is for splitting payments. But life happens, and sometimes you need to adjust that due date to better fit your schedule. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. First things first, make sure you have the Afterpay app or website ready on your phone or computer. It's always a good idea to update your app to the latest version for 2025 features. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Afterpay account. Use your email and password, or if you've got it set up, just use biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID for extra speed. Once you're in, head over to the Orders or Payments section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Look for the specific order you want to change. Afterpay lets you manage active orders easily. Step 2. Find the payment details for that order. You'll see a breakdown of your installments, including the upcoming payment dates. Tap or click on the Edit or Change Payment Date option. Afterpay has made this pretty straightforward in their 2025 updates, so it should be front and center. Step 3. Select your new payment date. Afterpay typically allows you to push the date back by a few days, but remember, there might be limits based on your account history or the merchant's policies. Double-check the calendar that pops up and pick a date that works for you. Step 4. Review and confirm. Afterpay will show you a summary of the changes, including any potential fees. Yes, sometimes they charge a small adjustment fee, so keep an eye on that. Hit confirm, and you're all set. You'll get a confirmation email right away. One quick tip. If you're unable to change the date, it could be because the payment is too close or your account needs verification. In that case, reach out to Afterpay customer support, they're usually responsive. And there you have it, folks. Changing your payment date on Afterpay is a breeze once you know the steps. This can really help you manage your finances better in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.